You know how as a busy working mom, we're always looking for a quick, easy, but also healthy lunch idea? Well, today I've got you covered. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken salad that you can eat from all week long and put into fresh wraps. If you want a gluten-free option, you can use these Egglife egg white wraps like I do. It took me about 8 minutes to make this chicken salad, and I ate from it all week long. First, I emptied 2 cans of chicken into the bowl. I get this at Costco. Then I chopped up some celery, nice and small, and added that in. Then I added red grapes. I washed them, I cut them in half, and added them to the bowl. Next, I sprinkled in some almond slivers, and then I added some mayo. Mix it in, stir it up really good, then add some garlic salt and some pepper. Mix it some more, and you're ready to store it and eat it all week. You can dish this up right on top of a salad, or what I like to do is put it in an egg white wrap. So I love these Egglife wraps from Safeway, and they're just made out of egg white, that's it. If you'd like to keep this recipe, go ahead and take a screenshot of this recipe card. If you need help organizing your electronic recipes, check out my other video on how to organize recipes electronically. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end.